Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Doogee T10e and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To do it, open Settings application where we choose first option Network and Internet, and there we tap on our SIM. In it, we scroll down and choose Data Warming and Limit, but remember you must have mobile data turned on to set it. In this part, first step you can set when our size start, maybe first day of each month. There we can set data warming and we can set in custom number what you prefer in gigabytes and megabytes. And the same with data limits, turn on it by switch, confirm OK, and you can set it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.